YouTubers, check out what I just got in the mail. These are Aguila Colibri 22 LRs, 20 grain, 420 feet per second. Very slow, very lightweight bullet. Subsonic, yeah, that makes sense. 420 feet per second. Alright, so the main reason why I bought these was so that I could shoot in my backyard. They're expensive compared to your regular 22s. Oh, shit. I got 22 Magnum in here. Well, I'll have to change out the cylinder for 22 LR. Take out all these 22 Magnums. I might as well have just left them in there for you. Well, I'm not going to shoot them anyways. Alright. Either way, I'll load my cylinder up with one 22 LR, and the rest of these will be 22 Colibri LRs. And then I'll take it out back and shoot this box. Yeah, my bad. I didn't realize I had the Magnum in there. I should have known. Alright, 1 second. I'll get you right. Alright, so somewhere in there I have a regular 22 LR. 5 of them are the Super Colibri. Let's see how quiet it is. This is a Heritage Arms. It's got this dorky little safety most revolvers don't. Either way. Is it going to be quiet or loud? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that was definitely Super Colibri. Nice. Again. Yeah, I think it was pretty obvious that was the LR. These Colibris are so quiet. I could be out here shooting all day. That was the last round. Let's go ahead and see. Yep. Man, they are expensive for 22s. But if you want to go in your backyard and make your neighbors think you're only shooting an air gun, this is the gun to do it. And really, I haven't shot this gun in a while, so I'm easily and disappointingly pleased with that. There's a lot better shooters out there than I am. But now I get to practice a little more without having to worry about pissing off my neighbors. None of them have complained so far. In fact, I've heard them shoot guns. So it shouldn't be a problem at all. Yeah, hell yeah. Alright, thanks for watching my video.